Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. You are a GME aspirant and my duty is to tell you about IMS Goa. One of the finest colleges, I would say, trustworthy. चलिए शुरू करते हैं आगे. So in this, let's talk about MTI Institute. Let's talk about Maritime Training Institute IMS Goa. So GME curriculum at IMS Goa has been divided into 4 months of classroom training, 2 months of workshop training and 6 months of offload training. Offload means that they might be having their own inbuilt ship in campus जिसके ऊपर they are training you. So it becomes overall a 12 months course. Offload training includes the candidates being sent on board ships and port, shipyards, IMS, marine laboratory. Offload means a built-in ship, or also since it is in Goa, then they can be sent to shipyards or also on ports, ship visit. For placement of the cadets, renowned shipping companies like Williamson, Synergy, K-Line, Volume Shipping, Scorpion, many others visit the campus. आगे बढ़ते हैं, next slide please. Batch size is 80 cadets, fees is 5.9 lakhs, pre-sea training is of 12 months, structural shipboard training is of 6 months. That is, once you complete this, you go on ship for 6 months. Okay. So next is eligibility criteria, education qualification, BE Tech in mechanical engineering streams, or BE Tech in marine engineering. Non-DGS approved colleges can also apply. This is one thing great. Apart from degree in naval architecture in ocean engineering, naval architecture in shipbuilding, they can also apply. Minimum 50% in final year of degree course certificate. This is something important that you need to know. So eligibility criteria है. English के अंदर minimum 50% in English in 10th or 12th or in their degree course. Copy it guys. Next. Age limit, candidate should not be older than 28 years on the date of commencement of course. But क्योंकि IMS Goa, unlike Anglo-Saxon की अपनी खुद का college, खुद की company, IMS Goa has got different shipping companies coming like Scorpio, K-Lines and Williams and other shipping companies that we named. So general perception is कि if you are on the older side, the companies are not going to select you. So recently I had a student whose name is Sarfaraz, and he went for IMS Goa and he could not get through the interview. The only reason that I could find out was he was working as an intern over here, was that the age was not in his side. Firstly, it had been 2 years that he had passed his BTech, and after that the age was also on the higher side. So sometimes it becomes difficult. So if you are on the higher edge side, try to go for other options as well, because if you have got the only option at IMS Goa, you might feel rejected later or dejected later, I would say. Medical standards, eyesight, normally it should be no color blindness, 6/6 in both the eyes, and worst case it can be 6/12 in both the eyes. Other cases 6/9 in one eye, and the worst cases 6/18 in other eye. So 6/9, 6/18, 6/12, 6/12, 6/6, 6/6 ideally, right? Body mass index less than 25, and minimum height is 1.58 meters, weight is 51 kgs. Copy it guys. आगे, how to apply? Well, yeah, you guys know, I don't have to tell you out here. Straight away go to IMS Goa website, how to apply, payment it is there, you apply, go there, उसके बाद आके अपना online test, psychometric test, then you are called for interview, give your interview. Various shipping companies के officers also sitting there to interview you guys along with the director of IMS Goa, and then you are selected or you are not selected as well. So if you want to watch the detailed video, we have got just recently made a video on IMS Goa 2023 passing results. So just watch that video as well. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Points to be noted. So the eligibility criteria for joining this college is totally dependent on the company's criteria. Whatever we have mentioned earlier is the minimum criteria to join this college. But if you fill out the form with less marks in 12th PCM and with an age of more than 24 years, then your selection is totally on your luck. So abhi recently, now on this side when I am 24, recently Gaurav, who was also an intern at Merchant Decoded, he is 26 years old, but he got sponsorship from Scorpio. So it depends, hard work, effort, a lot of things count. So but he made it through. Copied? So now, if you want to know more about IMS Goa, go to our college portal, Merchant Navy Decoded website, go there. When you click on the college portal site, you will see this kind of thing coming on. You will see GME over here. Click on the GME portal over here. Then you will see highly recommended colleges. You have got 2 Anglos and IMS Goa. You click on the IMS Goa site over here. When you click over here, you will see overview, eligibility criteria, fees, revision process, sample syllabus questions, placement records. Fine. You can also go ahead and see the reviews of the college over here. Right now we say 9 reviews, and that is why I can request all those people who are from IMS Goa, have just recently passed out, please give your reviews, regarding the placement, waiting period, training and well-being, because this is the need of the hour. More and more people need to know that. With this, all I can say is I hope you like the video. If you got any queries, please WhatsApp at this number. Please email us your query at this email ID. Apart from that, all I can say is if you like the video, please subscribe Merchant Navy Decoded YouTube channel, and also follow me at Chief Engineer Praneeth. That is my Instagram ID. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.